What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and I am so pumped because we are on the way right now to go check out the new hole on our lot because we finally broke ground on our dream home. So I'm gonna give you the walkthrough of the hole so you know where things are coming, but more importantly, I'm gonna talk about everything we had to do to go through the entire process to get to today where we're finally able to break ground. So we got the whole family bundled up, and you ready to roll? We're gonna go check out the hole. For those wondering why my wife is in the back seat, it's because I really like having a lot more space to myself up in the front. Actually, the kids are a little hungry, so she's gonna be giving them snacks on the way over. But Mads, how are you feeling? Are you ready to?
I am so excited.
I'm pumped too. It's been one of those things where it's been a long wait to get to now. It's a long process, and I'll kind of explain what all you have to do to get to here. But we're really excited to go see the hole and share it with you. All right, guys, if you're new to the channel, my name's Chandler Smith, and I've been investing in real estate for the last 7 years. I currently own 99 units of rental real estate, and we are just about to close on a 15-plex that we've had under contract for a couple weeks now. However, I'm not able to share any more information than I already have on this because I want to get to the closing table. I want to get it wrapped up. I want to get it done before I share too much more information on it. But if you're interested, you can click this link here and check out more about that 15-plex, or check out my other videos on how we were able to build up this portfolio of real estate. Now, the only reason I share this is my whole goal from the beginning of this channel has been to help other people to build a huge passive income through investing in real estate. And one of the benefits of investing in real estate is once you create a passive income, then you can use that passive income to purchase the fun things, the house, the cars, kind of the lifestyle that I know me and my wife and our family have wanted to build up to. Now, we weren't able to do this right away, even though financially we'd worked hard to where we probably could have afforded some of these things sooner had we just used our active income. However, the goal is to use your active income to purchase real estate, and that way when you use your passive income to buy the fun things like your dream home or the cars or the lifestyle or the travel or whatever it is for you, then you know you're spending money that's not going anywhere because it's created through that passive income flow that comes with investing properly in real estate. I want you to also know we kind of battled, I know Maddie, we talked about it a lot about whether or not we wanted to share the process of building our home or of saving up to buying the cars that we wanted or all of these things, and we held off a long time before putting it on the channel. And after talking about it, I think one of the biggest reasons we decided to put it on the channel is for us, when we saw other people do that, that was really motivating. I think some of the people that motivated me the most, it was because they had the lifestyle and they could provide for their family what I wanted to be able to provide for my family. And I know you kind of felt the same, right, Mads?
Yeah, of course.
Maddie hasn't played a huge role when it comes to FaceTime on the YouTube channel, except for today. However, she does play a ginormous role in the way that we've budgeted, the way that we've saved, understanding real estate and real estate investing, and both of us deciding we were going to put that money towards real estate and only live off of the passive income created through our real estate. So it was definitely tempting early on to spend that money on other things. However, now it's been such a huge blessing to invest in real estate and have the passive income to now support this lifestyle that we've been working towards. So I want you to know this isn't to show off. This really is something where it's been a lot of hard work and a lot of saving and a lot of investing, but now it's a huge blessing. I want to make sure that you understand if you do it properly, this is something that's possible for anyone if they work hard to put that money aside into creating a passive income through investing in real estate. So I do want to tell you what we've gone through over the last year, because we decided we wanted to build over a year ago. It was a month of working with a draftsman to get the plans ready. It was lots of time scouting out the right lot, going through the negotiation to find the lot and to purchase the lot, and now finding a builder. You put in a ton of time figuring out who even wanted to write up the plans. Maddie found the plans for us, it's been close to a year ago, and then reached out to the builder in Utah and the designer in Utah, the draftsman, and working through them and then finding our builder here in Idaho. So it's been a long process, and then getting permits and doing all of that to finally get to the point where we can now break ground. On top of that, we have had to do a ton of negotiation when it comes to the loan on this property, because it's actually a jumbo loan. And if you don't know what that is, I'm going to cover it in a future video, and I'm going to talk about the negotiations we went through to get absolutely killer rates and terms on this property, and also explain why we decided to finance the property rather than purchase it in cash, because there are a bunch of benefits there. So all of that's going to be in future videos. However, in this video, we're going to get over to the lot and just show you this big hole in the ground and what we're planning on doing with it. Let's jump over the lot. Here she is. It looks like they're just finishing up for the day. Or maybe they've got a little more to go. Are you pumped?
Oh my gosh, yeah, this is great.
You guys ready?
Oh.
I thought it was gonna be done when we got here because we're just at dusk, but it looks like they've got quite a bit of work. How's it coming? Is he still gonna try and finish it today? Yeah, been a long day. All right, guys, we'll give you the quick walkthrough here. Back over there where you see those posts, that's going to be the pool. So it'll be up there. This chunk is going to be the basketball court. And then this is going to be a little locker room. And then this is where the stairs are going to come down into the locker room and then connect to the basketball court. So over there is going to be the basement, because all of this will be dug out over there. So you've got the little hangout area with the TV and the play area. You've got the movie room in the back, and then it's going to trace the exact same design for the upstairs. So upstairs, this will be 2 to 3 car garage. This will be 2 to 3 car garage. And then the pool will be on that main level again. The basketball court will be both stories, and then upstairs there'll be the bedrooms. Naturally, we're in a heavy construction area, and the good parents that we are, we decided to bring the kids to go play around in the rocks. So I swear we're keeping a somewhat safe distance. But you can see over here, this is gonna be where the master bedroom is and the living area on the main floor. And then below it is gonna be where the movie room is and the kind of guest bedroom once he has it dug out. But this kind of gives you a feel for where the walkway in is going to be. The bedroom on this side, my office is going to be on the other side of the walkway, and he's still working on getting all that section out, so gives you kind of a feel for things. All right, so I'm super tempted to go do a full walkthrough again, but that's the whole, that's kind of the idea of everything. And if you want to see more of how that's all going to come together, I actually made a video earlier that shows you how everything breaks down, and you can click the link up here to see that breakdown. But we're gonna try and give you a step-by-step process of the whole thing, and a lot of it's gonna be more finance-based. Like, I wanna focus on the loan and how we negotiated it and how we put it together and how that pans out throughout it. However, once we get further along the process, we'll definitely give you more of the walkthrough so you can get an idea of the home and everything that went into it and the finances and everything else. So if there's anything you wanna know, let me know in the comments. I definitely don't want to overkill on this. Like, if we were building apartments right here, I would be going crazy giving you the breakdown on everything. However, it's one of those things where it's fun to come and look at, but I want to leave a little bit of mystery, and I don't want to be over the top on the channel. So again, if you guys enjoyed the video, push the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and let me know what you'd like to see more of when it comes to videos on the house. If you don't want to see it, let me know, and I'll stay focused just on the real estate that helped us to pay for it. However, if you do, make sure that you let me know in the comments. And again, if you enjoyed the video, hit the like button, and we'll look forward to seeing you in the future videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.